How to fix screen flickering on Android phones. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your screen is flickering on Android device, it might be caused due to software glitches, display settings, or hardware issues. Let's go through the most effective steps step by step. The first thing you need to do is restart and check your phone on safe mode. Long press on the power button and then tap and hold on to the power off menu. From there, you can restart your phone on safe mode. What it does is it's going to uh, disable all of the third party or downloaded apps, and you can check if they are causing the issue. And then you can find the culprit and delete the recently installed apps. Once that is done, you can also adjust your display settings. For that, you can try to disable adaptive brightness. So go ahead and open settings. Tap on display. From display settings, make sure you turn off adaptive brightness first. And if there is eye comfort shield turned on, you want to turn it off as well. And if there is an accessibility like extra dim feature, you can turn that off as well. So for example, I've got this extra dim feature here. You can just turn it off and see if that fixes it. Then you want to check for updates. Go over to software updates, tap on download and install. If there are any updates available, just download it and you should be good to go. Now you can also toggle motion smoothness to disable it and lower the frame rate. For that, go to display and go to motion smoothness. Make sure you select the standard and tap on apply. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.